Is it working? Did I do it? I don't know. Today we are trying some optical illusion makeup with pulling our skin and buttoning it together. So if you want to have some fun and mess with some new textures and try some new techniques and help create this look and just have some fun with makeup, we're gonna hop right into it right now.
To kick off this look, we're starting with a full face of makeup. So whatever you would normally do, even out the skin tone, any eyebrows, mascara, eyeliner, lipstick, go ahead and do that. From there, I'm going to begin to outline where the skin is going to come together. The main thing I'm keeping in mind is where I want the buttons to be. So there I realized that it's going to be too close to the nose. I'm not going to have a lot of skin real estate. So I'm going to bring out that second button location there and place my third button location closer to the jawline. Going ahead and connecting each of these loops. And bringing the other side of the skin in. I was a little concerned that I was going to confuse myself about where the black space was going to be, so I just went ahead and filled in the black space as I went along. Once we've established that, we are drawing on our buttons and then starting to lay out the texture of where the skin's going to be pulling and adding some shading. We know that we want this side on our left side of our face to be on top, so we're going to add some shading over the right side. To do the outline work, I used my favorite black gel eyeliner, Little Black Dress, and I used an angled liner brush to create some of the texture and the folds. I went in with my black kohl eyeliner to give the detail of the buttons to circle and shade, then used my liquid black eyeliner to do the dots in the middle of the buttons. I'm using a small detail brush with some gray eyeshadow to further define some of the shadowing. Not only around the edges of the skin, but then also here on the folds as well. I decided I wanted to deepen up a little bit more depth and darken those folds, so I went in with some of that black eyeliner again. And then wherever you have a shadow, you need a highlight. So going in with my white kohl eyeliner, and just above the black lines, making sure we get the light hitting to create that sense that it is lifted. I also want to do that on this top skin layer here. Blending out the white so it's not so starkly contrasted. And adding some more shadows and shading with a brown eyeshadow. Really just playing with the depth. This look it's very contrasted and looked pretty harsh, so I'm going in with a fluffy eye blender brush and just buffing out those edges and kind of bringing everything in. And you can do this as much or as little as you would like. And here we go, our final look.
It was pretty fun. I like the fact that you can do whatever you want on your face. So I just went with like a normal look to start and then kind of penciled this in around it. This is a first stab at this illusion kind of makeup. We got some texture to the skin, some folding, some pulling, you know, as these buttons are being stressed of holding this skin together. To create an illusion, we need perspective. So being able to have this in a photo, I think, is going to be better. So we'll have to see how it looks on the gram. But this was a fun shot of being able to mess with some shading, some highlighting, and being able to create some depth to our skin to be able to create this look. So as always, subscribe if you haven't already. We are putting out, I don't have a team, it's just me. I'm putting out new videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday throughout the months of September, October. Check out some previous videos that we have before of September beauty tutorials, or also the October playlist for all of our Halloween looks that we've created so far. You can also subscribe to mine and my husband's channel. We put out new videos every Monday just for the sillies and the giggles. If you have any questions about how to create this look or about makeup or anything in general, feel free to use the link that's in the description to get in contact with me and the purpose for contact, and I'd be happy to chat with you or help guide you in the direction of anything you might need help with. You're more than welcome to always post your questions in the comments. I am trying to be pretty good with making sure I get replies to everybody. So makeup is fun, go have some fun, try out this look, let me know how it goes, tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.